MySQL data types play a major role while designing database. It is very important to choose optimal data types while creating table. The data types are two types based on how much bytes are occupied to save data in storage. Lightweight data types. If any data type never allocate more than 8 bytes for saving data, those all belongs to lightweight data types. These data types can give good performance while running queries. Number data types. These are all number data types such as tiny, small, medium, int, big int, which allow only integers. We can save up to 20 digital number using 8 byte storage. We should use unsigned integer if we don't save negative numbers. The date and time data types are not take more than 8 bytes while saving date and time in storage. MySQL converts date and time into numbers and it saves number format in storage. Due to the reason it can save 20 characters alphanumerical string, it takes just 4 bytes for timestamp data type and 8 bytes for datetime data type. Enum data type is one of the good data type for storage optimization. Enum data type stores string data in table metadata and in each row only the set index is stored in the storage, which required 2 bytes for up to 65,535 entries. It is good choice for type, gender, status column. If you want to save more than one entry, the set data type is a good data type, and even the set data type never take more than 8 bytes. Heavyweight data type. All string data types are heavyweight data type because these data types occupy more storage. It will be expensive operation while running queries because it required a lot of resources such as memory and CPU. We must not use string data type if the column allows duplicates. I recommend to apply a minimum third normalization form for avoiding data redundancy. Use varchar data type instead of char data type and it can compress data while saving random length strings such as email and website URLs. We must use char data types for fixed length strings such as country code, encrypting strings, and universal unique ID strings. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell button for getting SQL and MySQL tip video notifications.